This is Josh Osler, your head golf professional, and today we're going to be going over how to view all of the events for the year and how to register for certain events through the La Rinconada app. There are two areas where you can view the calendar. The first is using the menu button on the bottom right here. You're going to go to Calendar and Golf Events. So here you can filter it by group, or you can view all of the events. The other way you can do it is by going to the golf button at the bottom. The fourth one down is golf events, and it will automatically list all of the events for the year here. However, you can also narrow it down by group by hitting that little filtered button at the top right, and we can scan over and pick our group. We're going to do men's golf club. Click apply, and here you can see all the men's golf club events for the year. We're going to do a mock registration for the Founders Cup number 1. Here you'll find all the information about the Founders Cup. And at the very bottom, we're going to click here to register, which will take us to the Golf Genius side of things, where we will create our registration. Once the Golf Genius page loads, we can go down here and click New Registration. We simply need to search for our name and press continue. And this information is being pulled from the GIN system, so please double check your email to make sure it is correct so that you can receive all the communication through the event. And once that's confirmed, I'm going to click the button here and then click register, and you are now registered for the Founders Cup. So that's how you find certain events within the La Rinconada app, and then how to register in Golf Genius for the events that are set up as such. Please let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.